Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to create a food menu on your Canva app. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I'm going to do firstly is to just open up my Canva app in here as you can see, and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now the first thing we're going to do in here is very simple. We're going to click on the plus symbol, should be in the bottom middle as you can see, so just click on that plus symbol. Now up top it says what would you like to create, right? So just click on it, search for food, menu, as an example. Oh, sorry, food. I'm gonna write food and then menu here. And as you can see, here it is, bar menu or football menu. We can just take bar menu. It's going to be the exact same thing. Doesn't really matter. So we're just going to click on it. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page. Now in here, we have a bunch of like templates in here, but in here we can actually start searching for example, either restaurant menu or food menu as an example. So let's search for food menu in here. And here we can actually see all of the templates in here that we can use. And they are pretty good in my opinion. And I don't know if you can see it, but in the bottom right corner of every template in here, some of them says pro and some of them doesn't. The pro means that you have to actually pay to be able to use that template, just so you know. But we can just let's take this one as an example. I think this one looks pretty good. So as you can see, we are now actually able to move this one right here. This is our, this is basically our food menu right here, our template. You don't have to use this one, of course. You can scroll all the way down in there and find the one that you think is better for you, of course. But in here, if you want to be able to change something in here, we can always basically zoom in right here. So as you can see, cheeseburger, $24. We can change this one right here. So let's say, as an example here, I'm just going to drag it just to 24. Let's see if I can do that. Oh, here it is. Perfect. So let's change it to, let's have it to 18 as an example. So as you can see, you can just play around with this one. You can even change the name. If you don't want it to be cheeseburger, you want it to be like chicken sandwich as an example. And you can always play around with this one. And so you can see appetizers here, beverage right here, and also the social media and address right here, or not social media, sorry, the number and the address and stuff like that is right here. And the images in here, you can always change them if you want to. Of course, you don't have to have these images. You can always play around how you want them to look. Also, I think in my opinion, sorry, it looks pretty decent. Yeah, this is not a bad food menu at all. You can, if you want to be able to save it, you have to click on the save icon in the top right corner, and now you can save it to your mobile. And that is basically exactly how to create a food menu on the Canva app.